Good morning, students. Today we will continue the topic complex numbers in 2A. Maths 2A no complex number first chapter. Day 1, day 2 completed. In 2 marks type of problems are all are solved. Some remaining problems are there. Some that is homework for you. Okay. In 4 marks types questions are there. Most important, the first problems. The first problem is if x plus iy is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that 4x square equal to 1. Okay, so we observe that x plus iy by 1 by this one. So it is denominator has 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, denominator lo complex number undamma. So general గా denominator లో irrational number గనక ఉంటే rationalize చేస్తాం. Similarly denominator complex number కాబట్టి దాన్ని rationalize చేస్తాం. How to rationalize? Let us see. Okay, given that as usually first we write the given that x plus iy is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, ma. Then this is a rational number, means real number. This is imaginary number or complex number. Okay, so we should rationalize with 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. I sin theta. So now in this one denominator just in them same terms but the plus are there, the minus. Just same value తోటి multiply and dividing చేస్తున్నాం. ఎందుకంటే ఈ వాల్యూ అనేది చేంజ్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే multiply and dividing with the same value. So now 1 into 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, nothing but we get the same this one 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by the this is a like form a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Similarly 1 plus cos theta whole square minus I sin theta whole square. So this is it. Those are two terms are there. One I means I square sin square theta. So this is 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by this is a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 1 into cos theta. This is I square. I square means minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 1. So minus 1 sin square theta. So since I square equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 2 minus plus cos square theta only. So that is 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 plus cos square theta. Okay, minus into minus plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, so in this one sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by up to here only 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta. So there one numerator should write same 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta divided by 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. Okay, again the simplify. In this one 2 is common. 2 is common in these two terms. Denominator 1 plus cos theta. Numerator 1 plus cos theta. This is the real number. minus I into sin theta. This is a imaginary number. Okay, this total, this one equal to which one? X plus I y. This total value is x plus I y is equal to. So therefore x plus I y is equal to this one by this one. 1 plus cos theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta minus I into sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So that is a minus ib by some number are there. A by this one, b by this one. Okay, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. X plus iy equal to 1 by 2 minus I into sin theta by 2 of 1 plus cos theta. So there, comparing on both sides, real part equal to real part and imaginary part equal to imaginary. Therefore, comparing on both sides, real part x equal to 1 by 2 and imaginary part that is y is equal to minus sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. What are here? Just real number equal to real number, I same, then y equal to 1. So this is up to every problem like this same rationalize the complex numbers. Finally, requirement is which one? Show that 4x square equal to 1. అంటే x టర్మ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి మనం. Therefore, put x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, no. So this is 2x equal to 1. 2x equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. So 2x whole square equal to 1. 2 square means 4. X square equal to 1. 4x square equal to 1. This is the requirement solution. This is the solution. Very simple solution. Complex number x plus I equal to, given that there denominator 1 plus cos theta is real number plus I into sin theta, it is complex number, then rationalized to the by the complex number only. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఇరేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా మనం 10th క్లాస్లో కానీ మన ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో కానీ డినామినేటర్లో ఇరేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే రేషనలైజ్ చేస్తాం. దాని కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ తోటి రేషనలైజ్ చేస్తూ దాన్ని రియల్ పార్ట్ అండ్ ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ కంపేర్ చేస్తూ సపరేట్స్ రాస్తాం. తర్వాత రియల్ పార్ట్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ 1 by 2 మనకి ఏదైతే షో దట్ ఉందో అంటే ఎక్స్ 4x స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ 1 by 2 తీసుకొని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకు కావాల్సింది వస్తుంది. సో ఫైనల్లీ hence proved. Okay, this is the solution. Next, this is a 4 marks problem. Similarly, the second one also same like this one or there. Try yourself. Okay, second problem also same there. Okay, try yourself or lengthy in చెప్తానమ్మా. It is also very very important problem. దీంట్లో డిలీటెడ్ పోర్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఓన్లీ డిలీటెడ్ పోర్షన్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేయట్లేదు. ఓన్లీ మనకు ఐపీలో ఏదైతే డిలీటెడ్ కాకుండా ఏదైతే ఉందో అదే మనం చేస్తున్నాము. సో సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3. This is the question, second question. It is also same like this method 1 amma. X plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. They are also rationalizing them by the complex number into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, డినామినేటర్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ మైనస్ బి, ఏ స్క్వేర్ 2 ప్లస్ కాస్ థీటా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఐ సైన్ థీటా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఐ స్క్వేర్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా. దిస్ వన్ టోటల్ 3 2 6 3 into cos theta 3 cos theta minus 3i sin theta. Okay, so I square value is minus 1. So denominator is 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1 into plus sin square theta. Okay. Okay, that's right. A plus b whole square చేద్దాము. A square 2 square means 4 plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab 2 2s are 4 cos theta plus I square into minus 1 into minus plus 1 plus sin square theta. Numerator no. Okay, 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3 I sin theta in this one. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 amma. These two values is 1. So finally numerator same. Denominator cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is it. Okay, no. So this one then we should okay. Real number 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3i. So I into 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is x plus I by equal to. So there real number equal to real number, imaginary number equal to imaginary. So therefore x equal to 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta plus I minus I means by is equal to minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So they are what you have just comparing on both sides. Comparing. On both sides. Comparing on both sides. Okay. So next one is show that this one. LHS. LHS is equal to x square plus y square. X square means this one. Whole square amount. 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay, denominator 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square is a LCM. 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square, 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square is LCM same. Numerator lo a square 36 plus b square 9 cos square theta plus 2ab plus 2 into 6 12 3 are 36 cos theta plus 9 sin square theta. Now so 9 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta. In this one 9 is common, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So that's why 36 plus 9 common, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 36 cos theta. Denominator same రాస్తారమ్మా. 9 in 2 terms so 9 common same. Remaining terms are same. So this value is 1. So 36 plus 9 into 1 9 plus 36 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So 36 plus 5 9 is 45. 45 plus 36 cos theta divided by the 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. There 9 common amount. 9 common this way. 5 plus 4 cos theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Square cancel. So remaining is 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is equation number 1. Okay, this is the LHS value. Got it? 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta, equation number 1. So that is the LHS value. Okay. Now compare the RHS value. Direct RHS value రాలేదమ్మా. సో మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే RHS value also simplify that. RHS is equal to 4x minus 3. 4 into x value is 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3. Denominator 5 plus 4 cos theta. 4 6 are 24 plus 4 3 is 18. So 12 cos theta minus 3 into 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is a LCM. Okay. So this is a denominator 5 plus 4 cos theta. 24 plus 12 cos theta minus 15 minus 12 cos theta. Plus 12 cos theta minus 12 cos theta cancel. Remaining 24 minus 15. 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 both are same. So equation 1 is LHS value. Equation 2 is RHS value. Therefore from 1 and 2 from equations 1 and 2 we can decide LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. This is the solution for a second problem. Okay, Amma. It is also very important problem. Simple, Amma. Again, I repeat that. Just x plus iy equal to